Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change a transmission filter and gasket on a 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan. Alright, and I'm going to try this do it in real time. Alright, so first you're going to need a jack, and of course jack stands. So these are the tools you need: a jack, screwdriver, a razor blade, and a 10 millimeter socket, and a ratchet, or a power drill. It'd be a lot faster, but I've already taken it down. I was just showing you guys how to redo it in real time. All right, so start off jack. Oh man, put my glove on real quick. All right. Go this way. And of course, you can use a longer screwdriver if, like the ones I have, are too short. All right, see where it's at. Okay, chop that up. And be careful, guys, because I hate when this thing moves. That's one of the reasons you need a jack. Car jack, I should say. Car jack stand, I should say. All right, well, I'm gonna just keep it like this. I don't want to go too much for the fact. There we go. I'm not gonna. So I'll let it back down a little bit so it fits on the jack stand, and then I'll make sure it's secure. I'll apply more pressure to the jack, extra safety, but at the same time, one reason I let it down because it'll slide off. So now I can just redo it. I'm gonna do a little higher like I wanted to in the first place. There we go. There we go. Now lower it. Make sure it's secure on the jack stand. And then apply pressure on the jack a little bit. All right. So now, pick either or I got longer ones, or if you need a long one, that's what you should use. But I prefer to use this. And this is the razor blade, 10 millimeter. All right, so from the front of the car, it's on the driver's side, under the light. All right, it's directly under here. As soon as you get under here, right here. See, it's not much further. You got the headlight going straight down. It's right here. Okay, and we have 15 bolts, 10 millimeter bolts. All right, and I will start with this one or any one that's not on the corner, because I'll leave the corners for last because it's going to drip. So you're always gonna need an oil pan. All right, so yeah, let's get started. Okay. And if this is your first time or haven't taken it off in a while, your your transmission filter, then your bolts might be a little rusty, so you might need some WD-40. Or an impact drill. All right, that's one. They're loose already, so I either hold it, use the ratchet, or I'll just twist it. Like I said, your bolts might be a little harder if it's your first time taking it off. So apply WD-40 first. Let it soak. Or get some freeze off. But that might break it off, so I wouldn't recommend it. But do what you want to do for the safety of your car and your bolts and your money. So I'm leaving the corner one on, corner bolt. It's 4. It's 5. That's the corner one. So 6. Start pulling my pan up. Oil's supposed to drain out, but at the same time, I've taken it out already. And the only reason I'm doing it again is because I did a little more research. And I just cleaned my pan and not the magnet. So I'm gonna clean the magnet and reinstall it for you. And the filter and the gasket. But this shouldn't take long. 10, 15 minutes, 20 max. Especially if you have a power drill. Oh, that one came out. Oh man. See, don't rush, guys. Just take your time. It shouldn't take long anyway. So I'll keep the corner one on. Yeah, so use a power drill unless you're real strong, or don't mind using a ratchet. Alright, so after this one, it should be 4 left. So the man taking out 11. It's 15. Alright, so I will start from the corner bolt so it can start leaking in your oil pan. So I'll loosen the one up in the corner just a tad bit so it stays on. And then come to this one. I'll hold it in one hand. Let's see, since they're already off, I'm gonna take this off and just use that since this is loose. Hold it with either hand you want to. I don't got a good position right here, so I gotta get it like this. So from the beginning, jack your car up, however you like it, so you have enough room. Then take it down gently. Like I said, I've already done this before earlier, so all my fluid has drained. This is the new oil filter. I mean, not oil filter, transmission filter. Brand new, just put on last night. A little oily from my hand, but my glove, I should say. So pretty much, you match the hole up with the hole, the big hole with the big hole. So that's the side it goes on. You pop it in. See? Pop it in like that. It's still gonna leak a little bit. This is the transmission pan. You can either use paper towels or you can use whatever you would like to clean it with. I wouldn't use any chemicals in here to like clean it. It's all on your discretion. I wouldn't do it though. Keep it how it is. Exactly how it is. All right. So, oh well, sorry for the delay. I'm looking for. Oh wow, where'd I put it? Oh wow, so, oh here it is, right next to me. So of course, gonna need your razor blade. If you have any old things on it, old gasket maker, you go around, clean it off thoroughly. Shit, I need to do it thoroughly. Oh wow. You can do a little bit more thorough than I am, but I've already done it. I'm just kind of re-showing you. So yeah, then you start cleaning it out. You could probably clean it out a whole lot better than I can. I'm just really re-cleaning it because I found out there's some magnet in here. This is your magnet, and it needs to be put in the same spot once you are done. This is the magnet. Like I said, I didn't know it was a magnet in here. First time. Give me a second, guys. Position. Oh, nice. All right. So the magnet has a whole bunch of thick shards on it, which is bad. Might not be real bad, but as long as you catch it before your transmission start messing up, you should be all right. So anytime you see thick shards, that is not good. But like I just said, if you catch it beforehand, you should be fine. And I've also heard you should change it out every 30 to 50,000 miles. And I've had this one in quite a while, and it's been doing me good. But I also keep my car up to date, so if I did mess something up, it's probably not too bad. But I don't think I messed anything up. Sorry guys, I'm cleaning this magnet. See, it looks a little better compared to what it just was. Like I said, I wouldn't use any type of fluid. I wouldn't even, I can't even say that. I wouldn't even use awesome. Especially no bleach, but I wouldn't put anything back in this pan that wasn't transmission fluid. Clean magnet. Front and both sides. Can't even tell. Re-clean the pan. So the magnet is what catches all the dirty shards and bits and pieces of the transmission. Oh, that looks horrible. So you need a couple of rags or paper towels. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. A lot better, don't it? Oh yeah. Alright. And you get your gasket. Measure it up. And before you put your gasket on or even start working on your car, I will let the gasket sit in the sun so it can flatten out a little bit. It doesn't look like she wants to. That was just me. It's probably just me. Alright. That's not it either. Oh wow. Okay. That's not it. That's not it. I know it's it though because I've just taken it off. Oh wow, what's going on? Okay, maybe I should flip it. Make sure nothing gets in the pan, guys. Yep, see that was the problem. I had to flip it. Yeah, all right. So I would take take 4 bolts that you've taken out of it and put them in first so you can secure your gasket. And pop that on. Don't pop it on, let it screw on a little bit really. You don't want to rip your gasket and you just bought it. Yeah. That will bug me so bad. So yeah, kind of hold it and screw it in a little bit. You can push it if you want to, but you'll be risking getting a new gasket. Or not necessarily new, but you know, there'll be holes in it. A little tear or whatever you want it to be, how you bought it though. Okay. Re-clean. Don't want anything in here, especially any rocks, particles. See, bam, all clean. So. Got the pan. Oh wow. So can't forget the main thing, the magnet. Put the magnet in the same spot. Okay. Can't forget the magnet. You cannot. Oh wow. Hope you guys can see. Okay. 10mm. Hold on one hand. Wow. Wow. I better get cleaned out again. I'm feeling it. You don't want anything in this pan that's not supposed to be there. Right there. Clean up pan real quick. All right, one hand. Start off like that. Of course, with a power drill, a lot easier. I'll hold it in one hand. Screw in the back. Or however you like it, I would just adjust the back first. Screw all four sides in snug. Just gonna let them all start. Put in the rest again. Yeah, I usually hold it a little bit to get it started. If you have a torque wrench, that'd be better. But I'm just gonna screw it in tightly, not too tight. She didn't want to go in at first. But she let me. Oh, see, she's still gonna be difficult. Gotta be gentle with her. Oh man, what's going on? Oh, look, check that. There we go. Yeah, she nice and wet now, so it's sliding right in. Always make sure she wet. Okay? It works better that way. For both of us. Everybody. And if the boat don't want to go in, just be gentle with her. Take your time. Because they might be a little rusty. That's what I'm talking about right now. Yeah, oh well, I don't know. See, hopefully. Did I turn it back the wrong way? Oh well. You gotta make sure it's going in the right direction. I had to slip it off by mistake. Probably would have been done with a power drill. It's still not bad. Alright. Make sure they're tight. 1. A 2. 3. 4. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Alright. And that's how you change the transmission filter and gasket. It was 2007.